Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Yes, friends, your future spouse. Who is it? What is their physical appearance? We're gonna look into detail. I have lots of cards here as you all requested in detail this reading. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Friends, subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. I know many of you are watching but not subscribing. Friends, please subscribe. It really helps in these tough times. It really helps our channel, and share if possible, share it with your friends and family. It really helps us, friends. And how are you all doing, friends? I hope you are doing well and staying happy and positive. Yes, times are really tough, but we'll make through it. Don't worry, friends. And let's this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general, timeless reading, sorry. So whenever you watch it, it will help you out. So yes, you can watch it anytime, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website and www.magicventstarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Yes, so I can't wait to start this reading because I want to know who is the person you will marry, their physical appearance, all the details about them. We're going to look into detail because there are a lot of cards here. They are all clumped, but lots of cards here. So let's see what will come out. All right, let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. And choose option number 1, this beautiful fertility card. Option number 2, spiritual union. Wonderful. Option number 3, passions ignited. So friends, relax and take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. And I will leave the timestamps like always in the comment section so you can choose from there. And also friends, you can watch the entire reading or you can choose more than one option also. So let's begin. Pile number 1, who is your future spouse, their physical appearance, if you chose this beautiful fertility card. Very pretty card, very, very pretty. Yes, I do feel, friends, this is a very powerful person, very powerful. Number 3 is also about body, mind, and soul. So, your future spouse is very powerful and very fertile, like good imagination, good body, fertile, a fertile mind, very creative. So, let's see. This is your advice, these are your oracle messages. Let's see. And then we're gonna look at the other details about your person's future spouse. So, who is the person you will marry? So, you will marry someone who is very, very hardworking. They are a hardworking person. They are a perfectionist, I feel. They are someone who is very efficient at their work. They are also very diligent, hardworking, and they enjoy their work. They are also very rich because I also feel if they could be from army or armed forces, because I see like medals on them, like on their chest they have medals, or in their room they have medals. So they could be somebody who has a lot of, even like in academics they have a lot of medals, awards, very dedicated, very hardworking person, also quite rich. Yeah, and I feel with fertility, this person has a lot of ideas, multi-talented. So they are multi-talented person. Let's see what else. Knight of Cups. So they could be definitely a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or someone very romantic, someone who is who likes to see life in a romantic way. They are kind, they are charming. If they are a man, they are a gentleman. If she's a woman, she's very, Valentine's Day type. She wants to give you gifts, she wants to pamper you, love you, take care of you. Very, very, like very sweet, very cuddly, very romantic. I also feel your future spouse could be younger than you, or they could be very youthful looking. Since this reading is about the physical appearance, I will talk about it also, but other details also I will give you because I want you to have all the details as much as possible. Okay, yes, friends. I'm greedy in giving you a lot of information. I know you are greedy also in hearing everything, right? Yes. All right. Okay. So, yes, your person is definitely very youthful looking, the person you will marry. They could be younger than you. Even if they are not, they are very youthful looking. I feel they like to smile a lot, laugh a lot, because that's what I did exactly. So they like to do that. They are a romantic person. They like to send you poetry, send you jokes, very charming, very charming. The high priestess, wow. So this person is someone very, very talented, friends. They are very good at their job. They are very spiritual also. The person you will marry, they are exceptional, friends. They are one of their kind. They are a very pure soul. They could be vegan, or someone who is like, they have like, certain food types, food choices also, like they are spiritual, they don't harm animals, they like animals, they are vegan, or they are on keto diets, they are very pure people, the person you will marry is very intelligent, highly creative, very pure, highly learned also, um, very intelligent person, very learned. Another thing is they are very pure, like someone who doesn't maybe this you are the first person they have ever dated, or fallen in love with, because they are not somebody who dates a lot, who hangs out, or falls in relationships, have bangs. No, they are a very pure person, you know what I mean, right? Sexually also they are very um, very disciplined. That's the right word. They are very disciplined, they know their boundaries, they respect it. Also they might be very spiritual, or I don't want to say the word religious, but spiritual is what I feel like. They have a routine, they have, like this person is they like detoxing, they like keto diets, they like all those things, like they don't harm animals, they have loving kindness, meditations, they are those kinds. Yeah, and very intuitive. Even if they are a businessman or a businesswoman, he or she is very intuitive. I also feel, they could be from another culture, different religion culture than yours, but you will find them very secure and comforting. This person, your future spouse, is very comforting. You will find them very safe to be with, very trustworthy. If we talk about looks, sorry, I was taking a sip of water because my throat. My throat. It's still like, it's still irritating me. Yes, it's almost okay, but it's like almost, it's like there is little that itch there. It will get better. Send me your prayers, send me your blessings. It will get better. Yeah, I'm enjoying this kind of voice also, this different kind of a voice. I feel like I'm in a movie and talking in a different, playing a different role. So I do feel this person has a good sense of humor also, the person you will marry. I also feel like if we talk about their physical appearance, they are very tall, or even if she's a woman, she looks very tall. Like, she has a lean, slender figure, tall, thin, beautiful, dark, dark hairs, black hairs or brown eyes, brown hairs. I also feel their complexion is very fair. They are very fair complexioned. They could be from a different religion, culture also. So they are, of a different race also, like, Americans, or so they are tall, they are tall, very fair looking. And even if they are a man, I feel like they have good arms, biceps are very good. And eight of wands, yeah. This person is like, Your future spouse is very dedicated. They do not leave a job incomplete. Once they start something, they will finish it, and you will really enjoy it. In the bed, once they start something, you will really enjoy it. So I don't know why it went there. I don't usually go in those areas, but although they are very, very, this person is very deep. They are very deep. They and very passionate also. I don't see like they are not a flirt, your future spouse, definitely not. But with you, the person they marry, they'll be very passionate. And I do see that you will have a lot in common with this person, a lot of talks, a lot of discussions, a lot of things to try out, you know what I mean, right? And yeah, very, very, this person is someone who will always be busy. They are very busy. They are always like, they are never bored. They always have something to do in their life. And the Ace of Pentacles, yeah, this person is rich, friends. The person you are going to marry, they are rich. They are well to do, and they have their own earned wealth. They are very hardworking. So they could be a businessman, they could be in armed forces, they could be an engineer or somebody from science background or commerce background, economics or commerce. But they are very much, they could be a banker also, into financial analyst or something. But money comes to them, they attract money like anything. They are very, very lucky. And also, I feel they will start something in their life, maybe with you together. uh, like some business idea or some sort of a side work. I feel they have a lot of ideas to make money. They are very, very talented, multi-talented person. Another thing I feel is like they have a very grounded energy that you will notice with this person. Like they are not very egoistic, or they are not at all, flirty or those kind of things. They are very balanced. They are very, body, mind and soul is balanced. You saw here also number 3, body, mind and soul. Body, the mind and the soul, the heart, all united. So they are very balanced. You will feel that earthy energy from them, very balanced. I also feel they might, if they are a man, they might have a darker on the, not darker hairs, darker, they might have a beard also. But you know uh, they have a strong connection with earth. Maybe they like to have a lot of property, lot of land, or they live where there is a valley, there is open, farms around them. Or they have a dream of buying a farm, owning a farm. That's what, land is very important to this person. What else? Nine of Wands. This person does not give up, friends. Your future spouse does not give up. Also, they are a very, very, their health is very strong, friends. This person can constantly work without eating, without sleeping, without anything for hours. They are like a camel. This person reminds me of a camel. Camels in desert, they can go on without water for so long. Their humps have those water storage things, if you know. They have fat tissues which can absorb water and hold water for them for a very, very long time. That's an extra info. So I think this person is intelligent. They will give you all the extra information, like, why it rains. They will tell you why it rains, how it rains, why is it raining so much. They have the answer to everything. Also, they are quite of they can go on a lot, they can work, their stamina is very good, friends. And they don't give up, they just don't give up. They are someone who is a fighter, a warrior, and very pure, very spiritual, very loving kind of a person. Death, they could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or they might have very important planets in Scorpio, like their rising sign Jupiter, their moon is in Scorpio, or their Venus is in Scorpio. So they could be themselves a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do feel this person is someone who can transform their life a lot. They transform their looks a lot, or they have gone through a major transformation. Like, they were never spiritual or religious, but a point will come in their life and they might turn spiritual, or they might turn religious, or they might change their looks, they might change their what you say, work, like from business they might go to, charity work. From charity they might go to businesses or 9 to 5 jobs, teaching. This person, they are open to change, they like change, but not every day, not very small changes, but something big, something big has changed in them. Like, I don't know how to say this. They are okay with change. They understand that everything in life is, change is a constant. They are very spiritual person. Also, I feel that your future spouse, they will be very connected to animals. So that is another thing you will notice about them. Animals, horses, they might have land where they have a lot of horses, or maybe in the family, people had horses with them. Another thing is, it is their dream to have a farm for animals, dogs, pets, cats, horses, whatever. And the Five of Swords. Your future spouse does not like cheating at all, friends. No, backbiting, cheating, dishonesty, no, they don't like it. They are very short, they will not like it, they don't like all those things: dishonesty, cheating, backbiting, ghosting. They don't like that. And I also feel your future spouse will expect loyalty from you, expect, you know, purity from you, expect certain standards from you and their and from their spouse, because they are like that. I also feel that you may find your future spouse is a little, fixed in some ways, like they have certain rules. I don't do social media, I don't post my pictures there, this and that, so, this person is having those kind of things. Also, they are very pure friends. They I feel like, they are someone who will never, if someone cheats on them, they will not do anything, they will walk away from that person, so that is the kind your future spouse is. Instead of fighting, they will walk away from the conflict or pain. They are somebody who will walk away. If someone is cheating them, they know it. They are very intuitive, they are very sharp minded, they are very intelligent, but instead of calling out that person and saying, hey, why you did it, they will walk away. They'll just walk away. So that's the kind of person. Cat, yeah, they are very, very smart person, friends. Your future spouse, they have the energy of cat. They may have a cat also, or they are allergic to cats because they have a very strong connection with animals, or reaction to animals. They might love them, or they are like, nope, keep them away. But I see most of them love them. But there are people who are allergic to cats, so that might be important. Also, they are very intuitive. Your future spouse, very, very intuitive. And Caldron, very magical person. They have, they might be good at cooking also, and cooking stories, cooking jokes, cooking, making life magical in every way. Yes, very, very spiritual, very intuitive. Let's see what else. Humor, yeah, I told you, I was laughing in the during the reading. So this person definitely has a good humor. And look at that, the laughing Buddha is here. So they are very, they could be a Buddhist, or they like that kind of things, Buddhist monks, meditation. Yeah, they are very humorous. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Yeah, very fun loving person, very humorous, light hearted, don't take life too seriously. And yeah, I also feel that either they are very thin as a person, your future spouse, or they could be really, on the chubby side, slightly on the chubby side, they could be on the chubby cute side, and with glasses and all, specs and all, and short boyish hairs, very cute looking. But I see, if she's a woman, she's tall, slender, and yeah, she's quite mysterious, very mysterious. And she has long hairs. It looks exactly like this here, Look at her. I do feel that she is, if you ask, very sharp nose, very sharp nose, very beautiful face, very mysterious also, very soothing also, their presence is. Honesty, oh my god, yes, goosebumps. I told you this person does not like cheating. No, they will not like it. They will they will walk away, they'll just walk away. I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. So yeah, they understand that everyone is not honest, but that's okay. They will not stay there, they will just go away instead of calling out. So honesty and humor, that's one thing you will notice about them. Self esteem, yes. Very, very high self esteem, friends. This person will not accept charity on no cost. Even if they are on the roads and poor, they will not accept charity. They will work hard for it. I do feel they are born in a rich family, but they still work on their own to achieve their own success, own money, because they have a very high self esteem and in a very balanced kind of a way. Not like, egoistic or they are trying to show it off. No, very, very proper kind of a way, balanced self-esteem. I possess the gifts of the soul that benefits me and the others. So let's see some advice for you, and then we're going to look at the charms. Finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. So I do feel the advice for you is to connect with your spirituality, or connect with your real you, that is, because this I feel is a very intuitive person, and this is a very spiritual connection for all of you, friends. So this person could be a friend, your future spouse will be a mentor to you, a spiritual guide to you, a spiritual friend to you. You both will be each other's support, so yeah, find sanctuary. It is time, I think if you meditate, you will be able to easily find this person or find this connection or manifest them. So let's see what else. Option number one, their future spouse. What about their future spouse? Option number one. Option number one, what about their future spouse? Let's see. So we got the letter alphabets Z, and there is the K and F. So Fanny could be their name, Carrie, Kyra, Zain could be their name, Zahida could be their name, Zara could be their name, Callie, Fanny. There could be a fairy also. Fairy could be the name. Very open-minded, very uncommon person. Very. They have a very open-minded mind. I told you they are very open. They are a different person. Very open-minded, unconventional. Dapper, hunk, gorgeous, diva. Yeah, if they are a man, they are very charming, very attractive. If she's a woman, she's very, very diva-like. Although very classic, very aesthetic is their sense of dressing. I'm sorry for the big words. I don't know. Sometimes it's very pure. Their dressing sense is very pure. Loves to get inked. Yeah, they may have tattoos somewhere, but I feel they are hidden. Not like they have a tattoo on their wrist which everybody can see, or on their on their forehead which everybody can see. No, I see they have tattoos which are strategically hidden just for you, friends. So this person, your future spouse, might get inked on their tummy just for you, to surprise you, because they are super romantic, very passionate. I told you. I told you. Beautiful eyes. Yes, this person has beautiful eyes. They could be a co-worker for you. A twin flame, yeah. I did felt that, when it was like the physical finding century. They could be a twin flame. Or someone you have not yet met, maybe. Soothing healer, yeah, this person is definitely a healer. They have healing vibes and healing energy. Loves dogs, cats, and animals. Ooh, thank you for confirming. Cat is also here. Young but very wise. Yeah, they have a youthful looking neat aura, body. Naughty, curious, and loves to laugh. Yeah, very naughty, very curious, and always laughing, giggling. Super loving, very talkative. Okay. And shy but very deep. So they are a shy person. They don't but they are very intelligent friends. So that's it for now. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading, and make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now. So, if you choose option number 2, friends, let us see who is your future spouse, their physical appearance. We're gonna look into detail today. Wow, pile number 2, spiritual union. So, this person feels like a perfect match for you. Someone who is, very much connected with you and spiritually aligned with you. Number 2, a very loving person, a very, very heart centered person. Let us see what else is there. These are your oracle and advice cards. We're gonna look at them shortly, and your charms are also there. So let's see. I'm very excited by pile number 2's card. Let's see. So, who is the person you are going to marry? Wow, they are a traveler, someone who likes to travel a lot, or someone who is very fond of traveling. Whether physically or they enjoy, watching videos of travel. Also, someone who has a job which requires traveling, frequent relocations. So, they are that kind of a person. Another thing, your future spouse is someone who does not, someone who does not stay on regret. They are constantly moving forward in life. They are very progressive, they are forward minded, futuristic, so they like to dream about, they are the optimistic person, they like to think about the future. Like, like Libras, when they are sad, they are like, let's think, oh, this is sad, but maybe it could have been worse, that kind of a person they are. Maybe they are a Libra, because that's what I got right now also. I also feel this person could be living away from you. When you meet, your future spouse, when you meet them, they could be living in a different city or country than yours, and I also feel they could be from your city or country, but when you get married or when you get to meet them, they are in a different city. Another thing I'm getting is when we talk about physical appearance, they have very strong hands. I feel their hands are very strong, like someone who is good with household jobs. Even chefs, they use their hands a lot. Musicians, artists, sculptors, they use their hands a lot, so they have a very powerful and strong hands, the palms. What else? King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So the person you will marry, they have a large heart. They are very kind. They are a kind person. They are very giving. They are loving. I feel this person could be elder to you in age, or even if they are not, they could be at a position which is higher than you, like in job or work or career. They are at a higher position than you. I also feel this person is someone who is very giving. They like to give. They like a comfortable life. The comfortable, comforts of life, the good life. Enjoying a good meal. They are a foodie, friends. So pile number 2. If you are a fitness freak, this person is a foodie. They like their food, but they like their wine. They like their drinks. They like their food, but at the same time, they know when to balance it. So yeah. If we talk about physical appearance, I feel they have average body weight. They are neither thin nor fat, they are in the middle. Average height, they are neither very tall, neither very thin, like short heighted. If he's a man, he's like around 5'8", 5'7", so it's not too less, not too much. If she's a woman, she might be short, 5'3", 5'4", or maybe around the 5'3", 5'4", 5'5". I also feel that you will notice if she's a woman, she has very sexy hips, she's very, very sexy there, the lower part of the body. Even as a man, they are very sexy down. So, so you can understand the lower part, the abdomen, the hips, they are very sexy. And yeah, this person likes their food, that's for sure, but they like the comfortable life, living in a good, beautiful decorated house, hotels, they like those kind of things. Two of Pentacles, yeah, this person is someone who holds two job, or who is as busy as someone with two jobs. They could be holding two jobs, two positions when you meet them. I also feel they travel a lot, like they are a CEO, they are a marketing manager, they are an HR manager of two companies, so they have to do this, do this, do this, do that. If she's a woman, I do feel that she could be someone who is working from home and managing the family. She could be also doing business, or while she's studying, they could be studying and working at the same time. So they do two things at the same time. They are very busy person, your future spouse. I also feel they live near water somewhere, or they have a fondness of water. They feel very connected with water. Like they will like to swim. They have some connection with water, like either they are afraid of water or they love it. Like they love swimming, they love going to oceans, lakes. If not, they are either scared of it. So both for and against, right? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Your future spouse could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, yes, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I do feel that, their eyes are very small eyes, especially if they are a man. Their eyes are small, beady eyes, twinkling eyes, and their lips are also thin, and the nose is very sharp. Um, if she's a woman, she has, medium sized eyes, very no, no, not very thin face, but like a medium face, not very thin, not too very sharp, almost a chubby kind of a face. She looks cute. I see her as cute. She might have curly hairs also, or very very straight hairs. She's very particular about her hairs, man or a woman. They have curly hairs or very straight hairs. I also feel that they have a very specific voice, your future spouse, their physical appearance. You will notice their voice, like mine, look at it. I'm sounding so different. So you will notice their different voice. Especially if they are a man, they have a baritone, very dark, very husky voice. Even if she is a woman, she has a very sweet singing voice. So you're gonna love it, friends. You're gonna notice their voice. Oh God, goosebumps. Yeah, their voice is their USP. You're gonna know their voice. You will recognize it immediately. Like, ooh, they have a special voice. Nice. Let's see. Four of Cups. Yeah. This person is someone, who wants to achieve more in life. They are very ambitious. This person is someone who is never satisfied with what they have. They may be a millionaire, but they want to be the billionaire. They may be a billionaire, but they want to have the moon. So they are always somebody who wants to have more in life. I also feel they have plenty, they enjoy plenty things. Like they are someone who will not be happy if their handbag is empty. Like, there are people who like to have store, like fridge is full, then they are happy. If the fridge is empty, they can't live, they are suddenly anxious, stressed. So they like plenty. Also, they have a lot of connections, a lot of people around them, a social group. They are very social people. Your future husband and wife, spouse, socially very active. They have a large friend circle, a large group, large family. Judgment, yeah, I do feel that this person is someone who has learnt life through the hard way. Like maybe they have been once divorced, or they have been married, or you have been through those kind of things, so they will understand it. They will understand it because I'm getting many messages from this card, like, your future spouse is someone who believes like there is a destiny. People meet by destiny. Souls who are meant to meet will meet because it is destined for you guys to meet. So they believe in destiny in a special kind of a way. I also feel that your future spouse is someone who may have been, a judge. They could be a judge, a lawyer, a doctor, a physician, a healer. They could be HR manager, or someone, like a CEO of the company who travels, who gets to change positions. In this, like they travel, they change cities, HR managers, marketing managers. I also feel this person may have been married once, or their marriage was broken, their engagement was broken, or our viewers was broken, but they will understand it, they will understand. They are mature person, they are a wise person. I also feel they can be trusted with money and authority, your future spouse. Seven of Pentacles, very patient person. You will Nothing can make this person's patience go off. They are very, very patient. They are a perfect father figure, a perfect mother figure. The mama bear, papa bear. They are perfect for it, friends. They will even mama you and papa you. So they are very patient and they take their time. They take their time. And look at my throat, it's gone. Let's sip some water. I think this person likes wine, not to like advocate, not to publicize or promote liquor, but yeah, they are fond of good things in life. So once in a while they like to cheat red wines or things like that. Or you like that, dark chocolates, pastries, kind of good stuff. The Four of Pentacles, yes. This person, your future spouse, they are very particular about money. They love their money, they love their money, they love their money, and they don't like to spend it. Absolutely no, no, no. So, yes, and they like to sit, this person can sit along and work. Just as they can travel a lot, so they can sit also and study for long hours, or sit at a chair and work for long. Yeah, I do see they have a very sexy butt. You will notice that also, friends. Yeah. And they like to invest their money, save their money. They don't like to, they like luxury, but they don't. Once when it comes to part with money, they don't like it. They like luxury. They like to spend, but not every day. No, not every day. The Hierophant, yeah, this person is someone, your future spouse, who could be traditional in some ways. You may find they are from they are from your culture, or they are very, very different from another culture, religion, another race, also another nationality. Also, they could be living away from you. They could be living even away from their parents, their family, or where they grew up. So this person is someone who has taken and explored the horizons. I also feel. Even though this person is kind of traditional, you will still find they will still surprise you with modernity, futuristic views, because this person is like, they are very traditional about values, about character, but they can be futuristic when it comes to technology, when it comes to money, investments, health. They are very futuristic, very progressive minded. I also feel this could be somebody you meet through arranged marriage, or through dating sites, or arranged marriage proposals, because they are very close to their family, they are very attached to them. And if we talk about physical appearance, I do feel they have short hairs, curly hairs. Even if they are a man, they have curls, those curls like bangs, curly hairs. Uh, I can't remember anybody with the curly, short curly hairs as man, an actor. Mm, I can't remember anybody right now. But yeah, black hairs, brown hairs, which are curly curls, on a man, short till the ears. And even if she's a woman, she likes to keep her hairs either shoulder length or very long. But she keeps changing, I feel, her hairs, she keeps changing her hairstyle. I also feel like they might be a royalty, or they have some connection with royalty or fame or celebrity, because I do see them wearing crowns. Or maybe in their family someone wears a crown, like there is a head, like there is a head of the person, head of the family. I do see they like to wear crowns, or they are a royal person. So actually a princess or a prince, or someone connected with the royal, heritage. Let's see what else. Friendship, yeah, very friendly person. You will definitely, they have a lot of friends. They have a large friend group, friend circle. You will also be friends first and then get married to them. So, very friendly person. Let's see what else. And abundance, yeah, money comes to them a lot. They are very very rich money wise, they attract money, they are a money magnet. And but you know, they still, even when they have a lot of money, they are a miser in some ways. They don't like to spend it. They will shower you with gifts and luxury and five-star holidays, but they will still also, they will still try to invest and save money whenever they can. They have a sweet tooth, your future husband wife. They have a sweet tooth. They like to cheat. They could, they are a little on the chubby side, not very thin. This person is someone who doesn't like to go on gyms. No, they don't like gymming and all those kind. Even if they like, they need some motivation. Health, yeah, I do feel, you know, they are health conscious, but there are times when this person can be lazy because they are very work oriented. So you may find that they are health conscious, but at times lazy. So you may have to push them or motivate them. So yeah, there are times when they are like, they are studying, they study for long, they are at work, they are very busy, they don't, they have a traveling job, so they kind of eat junk food a lot, you know, hotel food or something. So health itself goes a little bad when you eat lot outside, right? Oops. Let's see, milk. Yeah, this is a very comforting relationship for you. This person will be very soothing, very comforting. They will remind you of your father, mother. They'll take care of you, protect you like that. Very nurturing. And lantern, yeah. This person is like a light. You know, I do feel maybe you had a very tough past with marriage or with relationships. Maybe you have lost faith in love. This person will actually restore your faith in love and marriages. Let's see the advice and then the charms for you. Great adventure, take a risk, venture forward. So yeah, this meeting, I do feel uh, maybe you are against marriages, or you are done with marriages, or maybe this is your second marriage, or maybe you are wanting to get married with a twin flame or with somebody, didn't work out. But please remember, spiritual union, this is the person who is your spirit, you know, better half. They are meant to be, and it will be a risk, but you should take it, because meet new people, you, because you, this person is coming in your life. And let's see, take some risk, don't stick with the past, take some risk. So let's see. Oh wow, lots of cards. Let's see. G, their name could be Gracie, their name could be Henry, Hitesh, I don't know. From G, it could be Guinea, Ginny, Gracie, sports and fitness. Yeah, I do feel, you know, there are times when this person is a sports freak, when they like to play a sport, but I also feel they enjoy good food. You know, you can't blame them for liking good food. There is definitely good chocolate pastries out there, there are chocolate fudges out there. You're gonna love it, right? We all love it. Gadget freak, they love to gift. Okay. Celebrity, very famous, I told you. Patient as oceans and skies, I told you, they are very patient. Loves to surprise and adore you. Yeah, they like surprises. Reserved but very well read. Yeah, books, they are very connected to books. They like a lot of books, huge library. S is also there. Their name could be like, you know, Sharon. Their name could be Sunil. Their name could be Sunny. Very artistic. Yes, very creative. Spiritual union, past life love. Yeah, oh my god, we have two of these. Look at that. Spiritual union, and still you will not like Magic Wins Tarot. Then when are you gonna hit subscribe, friends? Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family, because life is already tough, friends. Please make my day a happy one. Subscribe. And old flame, old soul. So yeah, this person is definitely old soul. August, yeah, August could be important. You could meet them in August, born in August. November, they could be born in November. Winter, yeah, winter is important. Colleague, they could be your colleague. Soulmate, yeah, they are your soulmate for sure. Ex-lover, yeah, I do feel that you want someone from your past, but this could be someone that's new. So you are stuck on an ex-lover, but you could be, or maybe for some of you, this is a ex, you will finally reunite and get married. Very loyal, yes. Loves to write songs and poetry. I told you they are very poetic. April is also important. Lots of months for you. Oops, long hairs, hippie. Yeah, I do feel they have these curly hairs, like a hippie. Very romantic. What else? Twin flames. Wow, this person could be your twin flame. Human lover, community worker. Yeah, I do feel they have a large social group. They work a lot with people, like managers, judges, doctors, lawyers. They could be you know, they could be a politician, somebody who has, politician or someone motivational speaker, charity worker, excellent communicator and romantic. So yeah. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. Visit our website to buy a reading. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So for pile number 3, let us see who is your future spouse, what is their physical appearance. For those who chose option 1, the passion, option number 3. I don't know why I said 1. Maybe you should check out pile number 1 also, friends. Pile number 3. So yes, passions ignited. I feel this person is extremely passionate. Look at that. Their solar plexus feels very ignited. Very awakened. Let us see, these are your oracle messages, friends. We're gonna and advice, we're gonna look at them shortly, and we're gonna look into details. So let's see pile number 3. So who is the person you are going to get married to? They are very successful, friends. This person is someone who likes to win. They are very successful. They may be someone who, when you meet them, they are doing very good or very well in their work career, or maybe even if they are a student, they are doing very well. Someone who is a winner, who likes to win. And I don't think so they make a very pretty loser, because they don't like losing, honestly speaking. This person is an achiever. They like to achieve, they like to win, they like when people appreciate them. They like it when you know they like it when they are when they have worked hard for something, they achieve it. They like that. What do you call it, that sense of accomplishment. They are very, that sense of accomplishment, that sense of victory. And I do feel this person is someone who can get very particular about winning. They like to win. So yeah, they don't make a very good loser. So even if they're very competitive, yeah, that's the word that I was looking for, very competitive. And what else? The moon. Yeah, I do feel that this person you will marry, they are a little mysterious. They are very charming. They are very seductive. But at the same time, it's very hard to understand. I feel they have a very mysterious aura around them, a very mysterious charm around them. They are very deep. They are very seductive. Very sexy, very passionate at the same time. I feel no, they could be an enigma. Nobody really understands your person you will marry, because their moods also kind of change. They could be having like what do you call that, mood swings. They could be someone who has a lot of mood swings. One day they are happy, one day they are competitive, the other day are like, it's okay if I don't win, what is it, it's okay, we are friends, we love you. Their moods shift a lot. They they have a lot of depth to them, a lot of expressions. They could be an actor, they could be a model, they could be someone who is a storyteller, they could be someone who is an achiever, who goes all in all out to win. I do feel there, if you talk about looks, wow, everybody looks at them. They are exceptionally good looking, your future spouse, because this is about physical appearance. They are very good looking. uh, Even if they are not good looking, they are very unique. So people love to stare at them, their face. There is something very unique about their face, their features. Like, maybe like they have mixed culture, mixed races. Like they are American as well as Spanish. So they have those, Spanish black hairs, but American white skin, or built of American but the hairs of a Spanish, something like that. Or So they have a mixed culture, so mixed race, and they look very unique, very beautiful, very sexy, very steamy, seductive. People look at them a lot. People look at them a lot. I think this person, your future husband or wife, is desired by a lot of people. uh, I don't know if you enjoy that or not, but they are quite a stunning beauty. That's what I would say. If she's a woman, she's extremely beautiful like the moon. If he's a man, they are beautiful like the sun, the god of sun. I see strong arms, strong body, strong abs. This person likes to have abs, workouts, gyms. Five of cups. Yeah, I feel this person lives away from you. In some another city or country. I also feel there could be a neighbor that lives around you, but not like somebody you see very often. Okay. I also feel that the person, your future spouse, likes to wear a lot of black, or they look very hot, very steamy hot in black or red. Those are their favorite colors, black or red. And I also have a lot of red rings today, which is quite unusual. I don't usually do so much of red. Look at here, 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 lots of reds. So, yeah. So I also feel that the person you will marry, they don't like to lose. They definitely don't like to lose. They love to win, and they could sometimes they can be a little sad. Like they need to be pampered. They need to be like told, like those kind of kids. Who get sad when they lose something. So they need some sort of Oh, sorry, friends. When they lose or when they are sad, they need some extra TLC, extra love, extra cuddling. And 10 of Wands, yeah, this person is very hardworking, friends. They always try to give too much effort. They could be a Aries, Leo, Sag person. They like to always do too much. Like if they are running a marathon, they will give, put everything into it. This person is really hardworking. They also don't leave any effort. If they are after you, they will chase you to the moon and not leave you. So also I feel like there could be someone who likes to work out, do gyms, heavy lifting, or even if she's a woman, she likes all those, she's hardworking, she likes to stay active, she likes to stay fit. And the sun, yeah, this person is very, very good looking, friends. Almost to the point that your friends or family might say, like, this person, how can you marry them? They are out of your league in some way. I don't know what's the way. You guys are opposites also. The person you will marry, you are the sun, they are the moon. They are, you are the moon, they are the sun. Opposites attract. There is something very different about you both in this connection, and people will say, my god, what a catch you had. How could you um, even for you, you are also very stunning, friends. You are also very stunning beauty. But this person is like, everybody wants them. They could be a celebrity, a film star. They could be very, very good looking. Almost not like, they have something unique about their looks. You like, they have some mole which is very strategically placed. I also see their neck is very particular. You can see those bones, neck bones. If she's a woman, she likes to wear shorts, and she has great legs. The calf muscles, ankles. She has very great legs and shoulders. Very beautiful. She looks very good when she wears off-shoulder dresses, bare shoulder dresses. She looks really good. If he's a man, yeah, very good back, very sexy back, very good looking guy, very sexy for sure. Very, very, they have this sexy aura. Not everybody has it. Only few people, like actors, models, they know their body. They know how to use their body to, that attracts people. They have that physicality in it. Also, I feel the person you will marry, they like to stay outside. They don't like to stay inside. They are an outdoor person. Sports, games, footballs, badmintons. Let's do this. Let's do that. Camping, trekking. Three of Swords, yeah. I do feel, friends, this person, they can harbor a grudge for long. I'm sorry to say this, but nobody is perfect. This person takes a while to forgive. So don't try to hurt your future husband or wife. If they are hurt, they take some time, maybe 3 days, maybe 3 hours, or some sort of like expensive gifts. Some love. You might have to bake for them, so they don't like getting hurt. Queen of Pentacles. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. They could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person. They could be a Scorpio, drop dead, gorgeous Scorpio, Cancer person. There are many celebrities who are Cancers or Scorpios. You go out and check them out. Okay, so if we talk about physical appearance, your person, your future husband or wife, I feel they are medium height, but they are very, very good looking. And I also feel they could be average weight. They are neither thin, neither very thick, very fat. I also feel if they are a man, they have the bulk of, gymming, going to gyms, playing, working out, good abs. If she's a woman, she has strong hands, strong shoulders. Also, her legs are very, long legs, very beautiful, sexy legs. And I do feel her eyes, the future spouse eyes are medium sized, but their face is very attractive. They have some attractiveness on their face, on their body. The way they walk is also very attractive. The way they dress up is also very, very attractive. So you'll notice those things about them. Also, they might be coming from a very well-to-do family, or they have their own money and they like to spend it on themselves also, a lot of products, lot of grooming, all those. Even if he's a man, he likes to use makeup and all those, eyeliners. I see that. Maybe jewelry, bracelets, rings, all those kind of things. Wow, the devil, my god, there will be a strong physical attraction between you and this person. You guys will definitely feel, you guys are opposite, so it will be a drop dead attraction between you and them. And even people will talk about you guys, maybe this is a love marriage for some of you, and people will talk like, how can, they are so different, how can be they together? But together you guys make sense, together you guys are perfect, and there is a lot of sexual chemistry. This person, definitely, they could be someone who has long hairs as a man also, and very sexy back also. I see them with the long hairs, long sexy back, bare back. They like to stay topless most of the time, especially if they are a man. And they take very much pride on their good looks. Yes, if she's a woman, she's very, very sexy, friends. Like heavy chested, very sexy, very beautiful, long, sexy legs. Ooh, very, very, very sexy person. Let's see what else. I do see they might have beards, long hair, beard. If she's a woman, she has light blonde hairs, or maybe she likes to streaks, streaks of hairs. Color the hairs to red. She likes to change her hair colors, red, purples, streaks of blonde, blonde color. Wolf, yeah, very, very sexy person. I do see that they have brown eyes, or maybe lighter shade eyes, honey colored eyes. And you might, you might feel like you can't trust them, because they are very mysterious. The moon, you feel, they're the kind of people you feel very attracted to, but then you feel like, can we trust them? They have these eyes, mischievous eyes. So that's exactly how they are. There's something very specific about their chin also. Maybe it is very beautiful, like Greek gods, um, like you have seen Jesus Christ. They look like that, maybe, or that kind of a look. They have Keanu Reeves, Keanu Reeves has that look, very specific chin kind of a look, right? Or they like to play with their chin, like always touching their chin. Peacock, yes. Your future husband or wife stands out. Wherever they go, the people will notice them. This person cannot be ignored for sure. They stand out. Growth. Yeah, this person they like to win. They like to win. They like to win in work. They like to win in bed. They like to win in games, sports. They like to win, friends. And They work hard for it, so they definitely win easily. Accepting, yeah, this person has friends from all over the world. They are very accepting of people. Also, there could be a someone who, if we talk about work, they could be a teacher, they could be a celebrity, they could be someone like a model, actor, a sports person. Also, they could be someone who is a businessman, a businesswoman. There could be someone who does something different, like tour organizers, hoteliers, owns a hotel, owns a travel company, these kind of things. They could be doing because they are accepting of people. They accept different people. They don't mind it. What else? Freedom. Yeah, they like their freedom. They are very freedom loving. Your future spouse. Also, they like to give space to others. Like if you need some space, they don't mind it. So they are very, very freedom loving. So let's see some advice for you, friends. What is the advice for this connection for you? Passion, ooh, and pleasure sever your life. This will be a very, very passionate connection for you, friends. You guys will be opposite. And if this person feels like this is not the one for you, friends, I think it is because savor your life. This is the advice. Start believing in your passion. Start following your passion. Start believing this can happen for you. Maybe they are a celebrity, maybe they are someone out of your league, but I do feel this could be a love marriage for most of you or some of you. But start believing, following your passion. It's necessary. Let's see some extra charms for you. Pile number 3, who are they going to marry? Okay, it's dropping everywhere. Okay, what else? Let's take some more. G, yeah, their name could be with G, their name could be Gracie, their name could be, Gayatri, their name could be Gali. Honey, oh my god, I told you they have light colored eyes, maybe gray, browns, but definitely honey colored, browns, greens also. Past life connection, yeah, you definitely share a very deep connection with this person. October, they could be born in October. B, their name could be with B, like, Bonnie, Blue, their names could be Blue, or I don't know what else with B. Their name could be with Q, like. I have no idea. Queen, maybe they are called as a queen, Queenie, or I have no idea what are the names with Q. I have no idea. Maybe they are from Quebec, Canada, because I get that. Sexy, oh my god, they are very sexy. Sexy diva. Medium height and chubby, yeah. I do feel they are not chubby, they are sexy. It's a different thing when you have. They are chubby. They're not chubby, they are sexy. Human lover, community worker, yeah. They could be someone who works in the community. A lot of people. Twin flames, lovers, yeah. This could be a love marriage for some of you. Soulmate, yeah. This is your soulmate. October and April, both are important. Patient as oceans and skies, they are very patient and very artistic. Spiritual union, past life connection. You have 2 past life connections. August could also be important, and November could also be important. Open minded, very unconventional. Yeah, I do feel their looks are very different, friends. Very, very good looking person. Very fair, honest, and just. Yeah, very fair, very tall, very honest. Egoistic and proud. Yeah, they do have a lot of ego, friends. A lot of ego in the sense like they know their potential, they know their looks, they know how much. Like if she's a woman, she knows what effect her looks and beauty can have. She has expressive eyes. I see her battling her eyes. Her eyes are large, expressive. If he's a man, the looks are very, very attractive, and the smile is dazzling. When this person smiles, there is like a rainbow, like stars are twinkling. They're very good looking, super loving, and very talkative. Yeah. Rigid, can be inflexible, of course. They can be inflexible and rigid, definitely. Long hairs, hippie, yeah. I do feel this is a very person who has tattoos or long hairs. I also feel like they know their potential, they know their power, So watch out, a very steamy hot connection. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Ones Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.